These are the lifts at Next in Wilmslow. This store has 3 lifts. Now to the first lift. This lift is located at the women's department. The lift is a Techno MRL serving the ground and first floor. This lift has a nice clunk and a harsh stop. Let's ride it.
Mind the doors. Doors closing. First floor. Mind the doors. Doors open. Mind the doors. Doors closing. Ground floor. Mind the doors. Doors opening. Mind the doors. Doors closing. First floor. Mind the doors. Mind the doors. Doors closing. Ground floor. Mind the doors. Mind the doors. Doors closing. First floor. Mind the doors. Doors opening. Mind the doors. Doors closing. Mind the doors.
Now to the escalators. There are 3 in this shop, but only 2 were working. These are made by Techno. Now to the second lift. This lift is located near the home department. This lift is another Techno MRL, but it serves the ground, first and second floor. This lift has a set of rear doors leading into the staff area, and also the second floor is locked off. This lift has lost its voice. Let's ride it. Now to the third and final lift. This is located next to the second lift. It is pretty similar and serves the same floors. But this lift has a severe problem with its announcements where it will say random announcements at random times. Let's ride it.
Ground floor. First floor. First floor. Mind the doors. Doors opening. Doors on hold. Mind the doors. Doors closing. Ground floor. First floor. Ground floor. Mind the doors. Doors opening. Mind the doors. Doors closing.